Hi, welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. I'm not going to keep you long today. We're going to make a really easy potato salad. So I've got some potatoes there, peeled them, boiled them, they're nice and soft, a little bit of salt water. You can see they're still actually a little bit warm. Rocket salad, we're going to chop that up and get that in. A couple of hard-boiled eggs, some tuna, can of tuna, a little bit of Parmesan cheese, mayonnaise, a couple of other bits, super easy. Okay, so mixing bowl there, as you can see, and we've got our potatoes in there, and I've just roughly chopped the rocket salad. So in goes the egg in there, a little bit of Parmesan cheese, our tuna. Now this tuna comes in oil, and I'm putting the oil in there as well. Salt, some black pepper, and then we're going to just add our mayo. And give that a mix. We're done. Really, really simple. Told you I wasn't going to keep you long today. And there you go. Job done. Very, very easy. What I've done is I've just sprinkled a little bit of chili powder on the top. You could use paprika if you want. That's it. Super, super easy. Super delicious. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.